Everyone, myself Dr. L. Sophia, working as Junior Food Scientist under All India Coordinated Research Project on Soybean of Central Agriculture University, Imphal. Today we, under ASRP Soybean, we install this soy milk making machine and tofu pressing plant, and we have purchased this under NEH scheme, North-Eastern Hill scheme, and we purchased this soy milk making machine and tofu pressing plant from Pushpanjali Industries, Haryana, Ambala. And today we have installed this machine on this, and we have given this machine to this Mangal self-help group. And all these are the members of the members of this Mangal self-help group. And today we have installed this, and under Mr. Manish Prajapati, engineer, and yesterday he installed, and all the workers, they are they have learned all the how to operate this soy milk making machine. And thank you so much, Mr. Manish, for giving this service, or for giving this knowledge to them also. And I would like to thank our Directorate of Indian Institute of Soybean Research Indore for giving us fund for purchasing this under NEH scheme. And for this, in future also, this Mangal self-help group, they will increase their income as well as their livelihood. As the name itself, Mangal says there, it gives hope or the raise for their future. So thank you so much, everyone, and I would thank you so much, everyone. Thank you.